Problem statement population. A slow economy caused mega holding annual revenue to drop from RM 888,000 in 270 to 579,000 in 220. Write a question in the form 80 occur PQ poverty of the model the mega holding annual revenue after 270. B. If the revenue is following as exponential pattern of decline, what is the expected revenue in 222? How much did the revenue fall in between 280 and 219? Newton law. A hot cake is removed from an oven with a temperature of 98 degrees Celsius and placed in a room temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. 8 minutes later, the cake cooled down to 95 degrees Celsius. Find the temperature of the cake after 20 minutes.
My name is Muhammad Haziq bin Manazi. My number is AA200406. I want to talk about a filler table. The title is population. The problem format is a slow economy caused mega holdings annual revenues to drop from RM 888000 in 2070 to RM 579000 in 2020. The filler table is about a fact. One, a slow economy. The second one, mega holding annual revenues. Third one is a drop. And fourth, from RM 888000 in 2017 to RM 579000 in 2020. The ideas is determine what is A equal to P Q punca kuasa T. The second is subtract the total annual income difference of the mega holding in 2020 until 2070. The learning issue. The first one, what the topic that need to be studied to complete the problem. Second, what the formula to use to complete the calculation. The third, how to use the formula to get annual income different each year, 2070 until 2022. The resource needed. First, I got in the internet. Second, in the lecturer. And third is a book.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Haikat and my metric number is AA200115. Today I will present the solution for question A, the population question 6, which is the question is a slow economy caused mega holding annual revenue to drop from 888,000 in 2017 to 579,000 in 2020. For the first question is write the equation in the form of A in bracket T equal to PQ inverse to the model the mega holding annual revenue after 2017. So the equation is A in the bracket of T equal to PQ inverse. So for the T is time, so they equal to 2020 minus 2017, and for this is for years, so it will be equal to 4 years. And so A in the bracket of T will be equal to 579,000. Okay. For Q, which is the unknown, and the P is 888,000. Therefore, the A in bracket of T is 579,000 equal to 888,000 in the bracket Q Q. So for the Q inverse will be the equal of 0.65, and then if we for the normal Q it will be 0.667. Therefore, A in the bracket of T equal to 888,000 times by 0.667 inverse. Next, the question B. If the revenue is following an exponential pattern of decline, what is the expected revenue in 2020? So again, T is time. Therefore, T equal to 2022 minus 2017 will be equal to 6 years. So we will put the 6 years in the T. So A times by T equal to 888,000 times by 0.667 to the power of 6. So therefore, the revenue of 2022 will be 78,193 ringgit and 2 cents. For the question C, how much did the revenue fall in between 2018 and 2019? So the times for times there will be 2. 2018 minus 2017 is 2 years and 2019 minus 2017 is 3 years. Therefore, A in the bracket, A times 3 and minus A times 2. So the A is 888,000 times by 0.667 to the power of 3 minus 888,000 times by 0.667 to the power of 2. The power of 2 is the time. So therefore, the answer will be negative 131,555 ringgit and 47 cents. Thank you. That's all from me.
Okay. Newton population. First of all, fact. Okay. Fact. Once K is removed from N with 98 degrees Celsius, 2. A room is 13 degrees Celsius. 3. 8 minutes later, cake cool down until 65 degrees Celsius. Okay, idea. First, use the Newton's law of cooling formula. 2. Use or log rule of method. 3. Write the conclusion of things. Learning issue. First, what's the topic of the question? 2. What is the key point to observe? 3. What is the part of work that should be done to solve the question posed? Okay, and then resolve needed. From internet and book of source hebat matematik tambahan tingkatan 4 written by Kul Chong Kwan. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Saidatun Nadia binti Haiduddin and my matric number is AA200827. And now, I will present to you guys about Newton law solution. In this case, we use Newton law of cooling equation. So, this is the equation of Newton law of cooling. So, we proceed this kind equation to know K. Okay, we solve this one first. 65 equal to T plus 98 minus 30 is equal to 68 multiply exponent to the power of negative 8k. And after that, 65 minus 30 equal to 68 multiply exponent to the power of negative 8k. So 35 is equal to 68 multiply exponent to the power of negative 8k. So exponent to the power of negative 8k is equal to 35 divided by 68. So K is in 35 divided by 68 divide by negative 8. So this is the K. So we proceed to know what the temperature after 20 minutes equal to same 30 plus 98 minus 13 close the bracket, multiply the exponent to the power of negative 20. So K, we proceed this one to this. K is in 35 divided by 68 divide by 68 negative 8. So we can proceed, we can solve the equation exponent the first one. We solve the first one is exponent and negative 20 and negative 8, we can solve it as a negative 5 in 35 divided by 68 divided by negative 2. So exponent, we actually we can remove exponent first. So negative multiply negative, it could be positive. So 5 divided by 2 in 35 divided by 68. So that's 5 over 2 multiply in 9 over 70. So 9 divided by 16, make a bracket to the power of 5 over 2. So this could be, exponent is could be negative 0.204. And then we can proceed this one after we know this exponent. So temperature after 20 minutes is 30 plus 98 minus 30 is equal to 68 multiply exponent of to the power of negative 20 multiply in 35 divided by 38 divided by negative 8 is equal to 0.204. Close the bracket. So temperature after 20 minutes is equal to 30 plus, proceed this one, 68 multiply 0.204 is equal to 13.872. So 13 temperature after 20 minutes is 43.872. So the answer is temperature after 20 minutes is 43.9 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature cake after 20 minutes removed from the oven. That's all from me. Thank you.
Conclusion, from this problem-based learning assignment, in the assignment, we learn many things about how to solve a problem based on what is learned. Not only that, we also learn many things about our topic in more detail. We also able to hone our thinking power by solving a given problem in detail and thinking outside the box. We also got to learn how to write a filler table thoroughly.